Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change text size in Autocad. I have this drawing and these are the text which I want to change the size. How we can change the size? We have two methods. First one, double click the text and after that the text editor form will be open here. And now you have to select the text and this is the text height. Give your required text height. I will give 10. Enter. Now this text size changed from 7 to 10. And second method is very quick and fast. Simply select the text, type ch, change properties, and you will find here the text height. Just type the height. I will give 12. And this text size changed 7 to 12. And after that you can adjust. And if you want to change the text size in one shot, select the text which you want to change the size, type change properties, and this time I will make it 10. Then enter. Now you can see that all the text changed in one shot. Now you can adjust the text. So in this way, we can change the size of any text in AutoCAD.